Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I said in the previous video I have uploaded on my YouTube channel, I will be creating a new series of tutorials of this character with the new Ornatrix 8, and I'm going to upload to my Gumroad page. It's already there, you'll find the link in the description, and on all these videos I talk through on everything that I did on this new character from start to the final rendering. I also uploaded some videos where I'm talking and painting the maps that are needed to this character. Thank you for all your support and see you next time. Take care.